If you've been a football fan, this will be heartbreaking. Football legend Diego Maradona is no more. He died from a heart attack just days after turning 60. The Argentinian footballer legend died at home, his lawyer said, just 2 weeks after having surgery on a blood clot in his brain. Widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all times on the pitch, his life off the pitch was equally notorious amidst battles with drug and alcohol addiction. Maradona won the World Cup with Argentina in 1986, having knocked England out of the tournament in a match which saw him score the famous Hand of God goal, which relegated him to the status of, many would suggest, the god of football. I want to connect right now to Boria Mazumdar, who's live with us. I also have Lavina Tandon from London on the phone line with us. Lavina, before I go to Boria, would you give us details on what exactly happened? Yes, he'd had a brain surgery to remove a clot in his brain last month. He just turned 60. Many would suggest gone too soon.
Hello?
Lavina, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi, Lavina, before I go across to Boria Mazumdar, what more information can you add? What we do know is he had a surgery last month to remove a blood clot from his brain, and he died of a heart attack is what is known right now. 660, gone too soon, many would suggest. What more information do we have?
He was taken into hospital after he was dehydrated, and they had already made it clear that this is not COVID or anything. And once after going to the hospital, as you said, this is exactly at this point what we know, that he developed a clot while undergoing treatment, and then eventually he succumbed to that. There has been, in a statement to the social media, the Argentinian Football Association expressed deepest sorrow on the death of this legend. And then there are loads of wishes pouring in from all the football clubs here in the UK, and as well as people like Sadiq Khan, who have been tweeting that a genius and a master of his game has gone. But as of now, what we know is that he was taken in because of dehydration and succumbed to a clot in the brain.
Lavina, just stay on with me. I want to bring in Boria Mazumdar into this conversation. Boria, for anybody who's been a keen, who's watched football, this is heartbreaking. Gone too soon, 60 years.
Absolutely. I mean, and you said anyone who's watched football. I'm actually the 80s child, right? I mean, born 76, Maradona won the World Cup in 86. My football was him. I mean, Sourav Ganguly and I call him the greatest because we are that period. We are from Calcutta. Our understanding of football was shaped by Diego Maradona winning that 1986 Football World Cup. And more importantly, it's personal because I spent 4 days with him in Calcutta, Preeti, and 4 days when literally 19, 20 hours with him. And I think the words maverick and flawed genius was invented for this man. So all I will say is wherever he is, whichever part of heaven, someone should give him a football. God should give him a football, because otherwise he will not be at peace with himself even there. I mean, that's for certain. I'll tell you one story. I mean, and this will tell you what kind of a genius he is or was. I interviewed him for India Today, if you remember, and that was the only interview that we did. So he comes to my museum in Calcutta and presents me a football. And we said, okay, let's start the interview. And 1 or 2 questions into the interview, I realized, I mean, you and I have done enough interviews to know if the interviewee is interested or not. And he had no idea, no interest at all in answering anything that I was asking. So he was dismissive of me. He was looking here, there. So all of a sudden, there was a translator, obviously, and I said, is he the greatest or is Ronaldo? Because at that point in time, a couple of years back, Cristiano Ronaldo was playing unbelievable football. I said, is Cristiano Ronaldo the greatest? And the moment the translator asked him that this guy is asking, is Cristiano Ronaldo the greatest or you are the greatest? You know what he did? He just got up. He got up and got himself a poster of his, which was there in the museum, and started talking to the poster. Now, I understood nothing. And about 20 seconds into the gibberish, I asked the translator, what is this man doing? He says he's actually telling the poster that you were the greatest footballer. I have put on weight, the new Maradona who was sitting in the chair. But even I am greater than Cristiano Ronaldo. What is this fellow saying? And then I realized that here was somebody I was dealing with who's on a different planet and a different league. So all I did was I threw a football at him. And believe me, in the next 3 minutes, he was lying down like this, okay? He was lying down like this. He had put on weight. He was heavy, he was fat. And all of a sudden, he started rolling the ball up his body. Believe me, up his body, from his legs, onto his arm, onto his shoulder. And then literally like magic, the ball was coming up and down, up and down, up and down. And as Pele has said, I hope we'll play soccer together in the sky. This man could do anything, Preeti, and I saw it on my own eyes. If you play that India Today interview, what I just told you, that clip is there. And it was the most surreal experience that I ever had.
You know, you said it rightly, because it's from one legend to the other. Both have lived very, very different lives. Today, Pele is 80 years old. And if there has to be a befitting tribute, because anybody who's had football in their heart, and a lot of Indians follow it. I remember being in college and wearing a jersey which said Maradona at the back because I was an avid follower of football. But having said that, if tributes go by, I would reckon this would be the biggest tribute, and it's come from Pele, where he says he's 80, that I hope we play football in the skies. And travel well, I would reckon, is something that all football lovers will tell Diego Maradona, because if it is to watch sports, he's given them glorious moments through the course of time. 60 is too young to go, very, very young. But he'll live on through his sports.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.